apple pie cupcakes. These are perfect for fall. It's my favorite vanilla cupcake recipe, full of apple pie filling, topped with vanilla buttercream. These are so delicious. It's like eating pie in cupcake form. This is my basic cupcake recipe with 2.5 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half of a teaspoon of salt, a cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. I put in 4 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're gonna mix the dry ingredients in with the wet ingredients along with 1.25 cups of buttermilk. You can also use a box mix with this. Once you have those all in your pan, you'll bake those off until a toothpick comes out clean. Then it's time to make your apple pie filling with a cup of water. We're adding 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Add in 3 cups of diced Granny Smith apples. Cook until it's nice and thick like that. And then make your vanilla buttercream frosting. My recipe has a cup of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I use heavy whipping cream to make it nice and fluffy. Then you're gonna fill your cupcakes by taking out a little piece of the center, adding some of that apple pie filling, and topping it with frosting. These are super easy to make, semi-homemade. Of course, you can make them from scratch like my recipe calls for, but you could also use a box cake mix. You could use canned pie filling. You can use canned icing. You could even use cream cheese frosting. This is such a simple recipe and it's gonna wow anyone you make it for. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Leave me a comment and let me know what other cupcake recipes you wanna see, and keep watching for, you guessed it, even more cupcake and cake recipes.